Let's be real. Running a business today can feel like running a marathon. While carrying a backpack full of bricks, you're hustling every day. You've got emails to send, appointments to confirm, leads to follow up with, and somewhere in the middle, you're supposed to actually serve your customers. The problem? Most of us are trying to do this with a patchwork of apps that barely talk to each other. One for your website, one for your calendar, one for your emails, one for your texts, and none of them working together the way they should. That's where everything changes with HighLevel. HighLevel is the all-in-one platform that lets you capture leads, book appointments, send follow-ups automatically, track your entire sales pipeline, and run everything from one place. Let me give you a quick example. A client of mine, we'll call her Dana, runs a busy salon. Before HighLevel, she was losing hours every week chasing missed calls, manually confirming bookings, and trying to remember who needed a follow-up. We set her up in HighLevel. Now, when a lead comes in, they're automatically added to her CRM. They get a personalized text within seconds. They can book an appointment without a single phone call. And they get reminders so they actually show up. Here's the result. In 2 months, her no-shows dropped by more than half, and her weekly bookings up over 30% without any extra ad spend. And here's how you can make it happen. Step 1. Build your pages and funnels right inside HighLevel. Step 2. Use the built-in forms and calendars to capture every lead. Step 3. Automate your follow-up so no lead is ever forgotten. Step 4. Watch your pipeline like a pro. Every stage, every deal, every dollar. Once it's set up, it works for you. Day and night, weekends, holidays, even while you're on vacation. Now, quick heads up. I am an affiliate for HighLevel. If you start your free trial using my link, I may earn a commission, but I only recommend it because I use it myself. And I've seen the difference it makes for real businesses. When you use my link, I'll also send you my personal starter workflows and templates so you can hit the ground running. So, are you ready to stop patching together tools that don't work together? Are you ready to have one system that handles it all? Click the link in the description. Start your free trial of HighLevel. Load the templates, and give it a couple of weeks to show you what's possible. Your business will feel lighter, your calendar will feel fuller, and you'll finally have time to focus on growth, not just survival.